Today Rob and I are planting corn by hand. This is our first year planting corn. We're going to do the best we can. We bought ambrosia. Is that what we bought, Rob?
Yes. Ambrosia.
Corn seed from up at a corn store.
A local feed store.
A local feed store. Oh, thank you. We've been planting corn all day, so I'm a little tired. So let me show you how we're doing this. Just in case you want to plant corn someday and you don't have all the equipment in the things. All right, we have this stick.
I'm gonna start right here. Yeah, we have a stick.
We've said that a lot. We do have a stick. And what we're doing is putting that, just sticking the stick in the ground.
Beep.
See there's the corn.
Yeah,
see
the
the
corn
red?
around.
The red is the corn.
Okay.
And we're just pushing it down about an inch.
About 2 inches.
Yeah, 1 inch to 2 inches is what we're doing. And we're planting, we've planted all of this, and it has been tilled up. There's grass growing here now, we know that, but you know what? It just is what it is. We
prepared it last fall, and we was hoping to hit it one more time for the spring, and well, it happened.
Yeah,
Mother Nature showed up, and it got rain on everything.
There are some really low areas here in spots, and we're just doing the best we can. So
I have a string line, keep it somewhat in a straight line. I'm measuring 3 foot rows, 3 foot apart. We're planting the seeds about every 10 inches.
did we measure that? Yes, Rob measured, so we got a good eye's view of what it is. But all we're doing is taking this stick and poking. We're either going to poke a hole in the ground, and then you just drop the seed in, and then you move on to the next one.
On down.
Is it a lot of work? Yes. And I'm sure, like, we're out here in Rob's hunting land, so the deer might have some too. But see, that's all he's doing. Hole, making a hole. Well, actually, he's putting the seed in there first, and then just pushing the seed down.
With my finger.
And the land, the dirt is not hard to get through. Like
we had it prepared last year, so it's still fairly soft.
we've got the tractor out here. I don't know any of you have a tractor. We're using this as our storage. This is our storage right here for all this. But here's the bag of corn that we got. And you could see it's red because it has something on it. Hey Rob,
What?
why is the corn red?
Corn is red because it was covered with the chemicals to keep the birds and critters from wanting to eat it.
There you go, that's why the corn's red. I've also planted some of my loofah over and like around the trees area. I just want to see if it can grow, and it vines up, so I don't know. I just want to see if it can grow here. So anyway, subscribe, come back for more, watch our corn grow, see if this really works, see how much of it actually grows. We're interested in seeing that.